This is a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's see if it's still good in 2023. Here we have this oblong box. Let's open it real quick. And we have our watch.
Nice.
It looks really good. And let's move on to the accessories. We have the instructions and on the other side a wireless charger. Let's talk about the design of this watch. The watch is slim, aesthetically pleasing, and the bezels around the screen are not too large. Of course, it would look better with smaller ones, but it already looks quite modern and stylish. The watch should be waterproof. The envelope is made out of an aluminium and the glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass DX+. The watch supports always on display. It's legible, and when the smartwatch is charging, you can read the battery level and how much time is left until it is fully charged. The Samsung Watch 4 is powered by Wear OS made by Google, and it is the first Samsung watch powered by Wear OS. The system was implemented in cooperation with Samsung and Google. Wear OS is probably the best smartwatch operating system out there. And I specifically did not mention the Apple Watch here because it is a different category and was not taken into an account. What can we use it for? What can the Samsung Watch 4 do? So the first thing that comes to mind is obvious. We can tell the time and we can change and customize the watch faces to our own taste. We have some pre-installed watch faces and plenty of them in the Google Play Store, literally hundreds if not thousands, so I'm sure you'll find something for yourself. But time isn't the only thing we can show on the watch face. We can also show the current date, level of stress, heart rate, steps, weather and more. The second important thing is to measure the activity. We can monitor exercises such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, elliptical training, treadmill, exercise bike, weight machines, hiking, circuit training and more. This watch also has NFC module in it, which allows for quick and easy contactless payments. Cards can be added easily with the help of your phone's camera. After connecting the Bluetooth with the phone or after using the eSIM, we can also make calls directly from the watch thanks to the built-in speaker and microphone. The built-in microphone also allows us to dictate SMS messages and send them straight from the watch. Personally, I recommend installing and using the Gboard keyboard by Google because I found it more comfortable, if typing on a watch can be comfortable at all, but it is also possible if you are interested. What's more, we can watch the view from the camera of the connected phone. There is also a calculator, voice recorder, photo gallery app which syncs up with your phone so that you can look at the pictures from your phone on your smartwatch. You can measure the skeletal muscle, body fat, heart rate and stress level with this watch. All standard watch options such as a stopwatch, alarm, countdown timer are also available. From other interesting options, you can also control music from your smartphone or play it directly from the watch to paired headphones. We have access to a large library of applications thanks to the Google Play Store, and something that may be disadvantage for some and advantage for the others. If we run navigation on the phone, it will also be running on the watch, vice versa from the watch to the phone. It's convenient, but it drains the battery quickly, which unfortunately is not very large. Its capacity is 247 mAh for the 40mm version and 361 mAh for the 44mm version. The watch is charged inductively through a magnetic connector compatible with the included charger. When fully charged, it easily lasts 1 day of normal use. It may last another day, but I recommend charging it daily. I think that's not a lot of battery runtime, especially when you compare it to the competition. The watch is available in versions with NFC embedded SIM, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0 and the GPS, so you can use maps on it, and It is also able to track the route of your training. To sum up, I think this is a watch that is worth buying and using, especially considering its price and the fact that the competition doesn't have that much more to offer. This watch is packed with functions, also with unnecessary ones, but it's a nice gadget. Smartwatches themselves are not perfect, and this one also has many disadvantages. But if someone would like a smartwatch, I think this one is pretty good. Thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.